I'm Kristina May. I'm going to be talking to you today about how to do proper aftercare for your stick and poke tattoos. First thing you're going to want to do is clean off the area really well, but make sure you're being gentle. You can use either alcohol, soapy water, or green soap. Green soap can actually be made with materials found in the stick and poke kit, so that's great. Whichever you use, you're going to make sure that you're just scrubbing the area very gently. You don't want to agitate the skin. Make sure it's really well rinsed. And then you're going to take a very clean paper towel or regular towel, but whichever one you use, you just have to make sure it's really clean. And you are just going to dry off the area, again, very gently. Once your tattoo has been cleaned off, dried, it's ready for the soaker pad. You are going to put the porous side down against your skin so that it soaks up all the extra ink and plasma from your blood. That's going to make sure your tattoo heals really well. You're going to secure that to your skin using some tape, and then you're going to leave that on for 5 hours. So once you've removed the soaker pad, you are going to make sure you clean off the area once again using green soap or soapy water, and then rinse off the area well, and again dry it using a clean paper towel or regular towel. Now your tattoo has been cleaned off, dried, and you're going to apply a very thin layer of healing balm. You can use ours provided in the kit. It is petroleum free, vegan, and all plant-based. So it includes plant-based oils and herbs to support healing. After you have applied the healing balm, you can use the bandage provided in the kit and place it on top of your tattoo. So we're in the final stages of healing your tattoo. You're going to make sure that you wash your tattoo every day for the next 2 weeks, and you're going to wash it 3 times a day. Also, make sure you keep your tattoo aired out. So you can wear loose clothing, put a light band-aid over top of it to protect it from anything rubbing against it and irritating it, again, for the next 2 weeks. So for the next 5 weeks, though, you are going to make sure to avoid any sun exposure, soaking, or swimming. And that's it. That's how you heal your tattoo. So thank you for watching. Please check out our website for more videos, tips, and promotions. And we'll see you around.